Okay, hi, it's Chucks, and we're just going to change this. It says it's a capacitive sensor. Now, I drilled a couple of holes in the back of it to look if it had a adjustment screw on it, so it had none. So I thought that a capacitive sensor should have gone through there and just picked up the glass, but it doesn't. It actually picks up, and if you watch this, it picks up the metal. And that's all it picks up. So I've got a real problem with that. So I went out and I got this from eBay. I'll do a listing underneath, and it has a couple of extra things. So what's the difference between that and this? Well, the first thing is it's got a different number. So it's an LJC 18A3BZ BY. Now, this is an LJ 18A3. So is that the same? Looks like it's the same at the front. And then it goes into, that says 8. This one says B. Then it goes Z. And then it goes BY, and this says BX. So what's the difference? One difference on this one is there's an adjustment screw on it. So I went out looking for it. I don't know whether I can get that in. There's the adjustment screw there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder this into the board that I made, the optocouple I've made, and we'll see if there's any difference. Okay, I'll be back. So while I'm at it, just to let you know, you've got a black wire, a blue wire, and a brown wire. Now in my case, the black and the blue, I think, not 100% sure though, there's two of them that's the power and the other one is your data. So, but I made this circuit here to do the job. And I had some pins up the other end. I'm not sure why I put pins up there, but oh yeah, I know what that's there for. I'll have to fix that. It's been bent a little bit. That's for the Z connector. So if I can get that sort itself out, I'll fix that up later. Anyway, I'll keep working on it. Okay, after a bit of playing around because I was having problems with my electronics and my screen is out of focus, I now have adjusted it so that it will pick up the top of the bed. So that now works, and my little circuit here that's going to be plugged in, one end is going to be plugged into the 3 pins at the other end which I need to straighten, will be plugged into the Z. This works fine. So now I can repeatedly get this to work properly. Sorry about the focus. And it will be great. Now I need to make a mount to go onto the side of there, and everything's sweet. So what did we learn from this? We learnt that you're looking for a model that's got a screw on it so it can pick up the right material, and you need to get the model that I mentioned. So you need to get, I'll try and zoom in there. Very hard to see. My camera's playing up today, I don't know why. I need a bit more light, I think. So, let's get a bit of light on this subject. Can we see it? I don't think we can. Anyway, I'll list it down the bottom, but that's what you need to do to get this to work. Don't buy any of those yellow type of capacitance things without a screw on it, because they're useless, absolutely useless. This one here, I haven't used this one. This one was called a, why it's not focusing, I do not know today. It was called a think M110304C, and it's got a MDO012. Oh dear, I can't barely read this stuff. Anyway, that's it from me. Hopefully that helps you. If you need the circuit, I can always put a diagram for the circuit up. Please leave comments below, and please have a happy and great day. And thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.